everyone. So I really just wanted to show you how you can record on PowerPoint. So this is the PowerPoint that I'm going to use today for an example. I'm going to go straight to slideshow up on the top, and then I'm going to go to record slideshow. Now you get to record on each slide that you have. So for example, I'm going to start recording for this particular slide that I have on the screen. So I'm going to press record. It's going to count you down, which is really awesome. And then I'll say what I want to say on this slide. So for example, today we'll talk about subtraction. We'll take a look at some subtraction sentences and see what the answer is, right? Or whatever it is that you would like to say for this particular slide. So as you can see at the bottom left corner, you can see that it's counting how many seconds for this particular slide. When you're ready, you can pause if you need to take a break or you're not sure let's say, for example, considering we're doing distance learning, sometimes there'll be something catching my attention or like a message, so I can pause it. And it'll stop right there, and then you continue to record. You can continue to record after, or you can just stop if you're done. So I'm going to continue on because I'm going to go to the next slide. So I'll just go back to record and go to the next slide. Notice that it automatically starts counting down. So you should be speaking as soon as you press the next slide and continue with what you want to say on each one. When I'm done, let's say that I've already completed all of the slides, and all you do is just continue on through every single slide that you would like to record on or over, and then I'm done. So I'm going to press stop. Now there is another option. You can put your picture in this particular. You can turn on your camera. Now in this case, it won't let me because I'm already using the camera. But when you can click down here on this little picture on the bottom right, where it has like a little portrait of a person, and it'll pop up as a square right here on the bottom right corner. So you definitely can use that option. Just that it won't allow me to do it because I'm currently using my camera already. So now since I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here. And I'm going to go to File because I'm ready to export it. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to put Export right here in the bottom left, or towards the bottom. And then I'm going to put Create a Video. Create a video. I usually leave these settings, and depending on the size of the video, sometimes I'll go down on the quality a little bit. So right now it's currently on full HD, 1080p, but I sometimes will do my videos in HD. So in 720p, like it's still pretty decent. So let's just pretend that I'm going to export this particular video in HD only. I don't touch the timings because the timings that are preset automatically go with the click. So every time that I press right, that's like click, it goes to the next slide. So I'm not touching anything else, not even the seconds on here. And all I'll do is press create video. And then it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So because I already have one saved here that it pops up, but I'm going to place it also on my desktop. And then you can name it how you want. And you can also choose if you want MPEG or if you want to save it as a Windows Media video. Then you're going to press save. Now it's going to create the video, and you can tell that it's loading or creating towards the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, it'll say creating video, subtraction of 10 pictures. And it's like there's like a status bar. Sometimes it goes really slowly depending on the size and quality of the video. So make sure that that you don't accidentally close out. Just leave it open or leave it running while it downloads, while it exports it. And then when it's ready, then you'll see it on your desktop. And that's pretty much it. I hope this was easy to understand.